Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a review on my Hermes bracelets. So let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing both Hermes bracelets that I own. The first bracelet that I ever purchased was this Hermes Hapi 3 bracelet, which is basically a leather bracelet with, again, the silver tone hardware there. So recently for my birthday this year, I got the Hermes Clic bracelet in the white enamel with the palladium hardware. So I purchased this years ago, guys. I think I want to say it was back in 2012. So I've owned this for quite a while. It's about 8 years old. And it's a calfskin bracelet, kind of like a miniature belt, and it has the Hermes clasp there. So the clasp is intended to mimic the Hermes H. The current retail price for the Hermes Hapi 3 bracelet is $330. Cool thing about this bracelet is you can wear it on the other side, so it is reversible. The brown leather, I think this is a beautiful brown, like cognac color, and it looks so beautiful and stunning against my skin tone. Honestly, I have never ever worn it on this side. Actually, I think I might. It's literally like a miniature belt for your wrists. I think this is a nice entry level piece of Hermes jewelry to pick up. It's definitely one of those classic pieces, fun to wear. Obviously, I've had it for years. The leather has just gotten softer and smoother over time, but it is calfskin, so the leather has held up. It hasn't really oxidized or anything. The good thing about this too is an adjustable closure. So all Hermes jewelry come in an Hermes box with a little Hermes like dust bag, so you can store your jewelry in there. Moving on to my new fave, which is my Hermes Clic bracelet. Have it in the white enamel with the Palladium Plated Hardware. So the Clic H bracelet comes in several sizes. This is the narrow one, so it's the thinner of the two. It comes with one that is quite thicker than this one. Current retail price of this is $620. I personally think the Hermes Clic H bracelets are just iconic. If you are a fan of Hermes, the Clic H bracelet is like just one of those must-haves in your collection. It comes in a variety of different colors. You can get it in like a bright color. It comes with gold tone hardware as well. Of course, I was going to do the silver tone hardware, and I really, for years, guys, tried to figure out which color enamel I wanted, and then I felt like going with white enamel was the best way to keep it neutral enough to wear if I wanted to wear it every day. Many people buy like a pop of color and they still wear it every day, but I just thought the white enamel with the silver tone just gave me that really nice, understated, very neutral look, so I appreciated that. So the H is the clasp, and so the way it closes, the clasp there, you push in, bring the H up, and again to open, push in, bring the H down, H up to close, down to open. It really looks like a bangle when it's on your arm versus like a clasp bracelet. Or it says Hermes on the inside with a little serial number, and this was made in France. In researching this item before I purchased it, there were lots of reviews about how there aren't any ways to avoid scratches. It's going to get scratched and scuffed up. But honestly, guys, this is a really pricey item and you don't want it to be looking rough, right? So I was always a little wary about the possibility of it just getting scratched and marked up. So I don't know if it's because I went with the white enamel with the palladium, but they're not really any obvious major scratches or imperfections even on the bracelet. Maybe that's more prominent with the gold toned hardware, because on the palladium plated hardware it's not that prominent, or maybe it's just not that obvious because it's silver tone. So this bracelet does come in two sizes. Comes in the PM and the GM size. I did purchase the GM size. You definitely want to measure your wrists if you're not able to go into an Hermes boutique and try this on to make sure you get the right size. I wanted to have a little room for it to come down a little further on my arm so that I could stack it if I chose to. GM fits me perfectly. It's quite comfortable up here as well. Yeah, I'm really loving the bracelets so far. I think they're nice additions. I think both pieces are very classic pieces and really can't go wrong if you're looking to add a little bit of Hermes jewelry into your collection. Now, I will say the Hermes Clic H bracelet for me is better for every day, whereas the Hermes Hapi 3 bracelet, I now wear it kind of, you know, when I'm going for a certain look. I wanted to share both bracelets because I don't ever think I featured my original Hermes Hapi 3 on my channel, so I wanted to give you guys my review and thoughts. All right guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. On my channel I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also guys, don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time guys,